What's going on, YouTube? You know who it is. It's your boy Shrek, and we're back with another video, guys. We're back out here at the Chino yard. If you guys remember, we're out here on Mondays, and we're here to do inspections and repairs on all the trucks that we need to do and that we have here stationed, parked, whatever you want to call it. Alright, so as I was saying, we are out here in Chino. It's really windy. Mondays we come and inspect trucks out here, and we do repairs on whatever we have out here. But I was just remembering right now that we did start a video last week for a 5-volt problem on a truck. I didn't open it up, didn't open that video, so I'll give you guys a little bit of an opening with this, and then I'm also going to explain more into detail as to what the issue was and what we found out. So we did get a code for a 5-volt on it, and I believe in the video I am saying how the water pump, there's an oil pressure sensor, there's a whole harness that goes through here that shares the 5-volt power with the water pump. I'm not sure if you guys can see there. So that's the harness, and they branch out. It does share the 5 volts with other components on that specific harness, and when the water pump goes bad, or the speed sensor, that's what this is called, there's a speed sensor, when it goes bad, it will short it out and throw a code for the 5 volts. Now on that truck, we ended up noticing that the water pump was leaking once the truck was on. When we pressurize the system, it doesn't leak, but once the pump starts rotating, it starts to leak. So we replaced the water pump and it fixed the issue. Another thing that we usually do on most of them is we replace the sensor, which we get from the dealer, and that fixes the issue as well. So just make sure you guys check that, and should fix your problem. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so I will post up a picture of what we're working on today, the code. I don't remember the code off the top of my head right now, but it is a 5-volt code on the Detroit DD15s. It should be appearing right now. Sorry, it's last minute video. Just trying to get a video out there for you guys regarding diesel. I know I haven't posted much, but this one will be it. So the water pump, and I'll try to find a diagram on the wiring, but I know it's the water pump, like an oil pressure sensor. There's a few things coming off the MCM that share the same 5-volt power supply. And on this one, this specific instance, we unplugged the sensor that goes on the water pump, and this is what was shorting out the system. And since it does share that 5 volts power supply with other sensors, it will give you a code for all of them. Today it was just a 5-volt code. So as I was saying, guys, ladies and gentlemen, that does fix the issue, the 5-volt issue. I'm going to try to look for a diagram on the harness. That way you guys see more clearly what I'm referring to as to how they share the 5-volt power. It runs one ground and branches off, and then it runs one power supply and branches off into the different components. That's how a lot of these components work. The harness gets power and then it just branches off, like distributes the power in the ground onto different components on the engines or along the trucks. But with that being said, guys, don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe. Helps me out. I haven't done many of these how-to or repair videos in a while, but I'll still keep doing them. I'll talk more about what's going on with the channel because I know it has changed a little bit, but that's for another video, guys. As always, if you're at home, enjoy time with your family. If you're on the road, be safe, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.